Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. In today's episode, we're gonna talk about this lick that I just played for you guys. It's an A minor, harmonic minor, and you will see what's gonna happen. Subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and leave your comments down below. Are you guys ready? Show reel. Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh. In today's episode, we're going to talk about that harmonic minor lick in A minor, and let's go right into business. Let's do it. So this lick start on the first string, and you're going to do alternate picking in the first string. Alternate picking, it's going to be fret number 20, 19, 17, and then 16. So it goes as follows because it has repetition. So the lick, the first part of it is like this. And then you start all over again. So it's 20, 20, 19, 17, 16, 17, 19, and then start over again the same pattern. You gotta do this pattern 3 times. And then you shift string to the second string and you do a downstroke. So there are 2 options there. You can do, after you're done with your 3 repetitions, and then shift and play downstroke on the second string. And shift again to the third string and do the next one, or you can do legato on the second string. Like this. So let's go to what we have so far. We have so far this. And then our third part is going to be. And that will be 17, 16, 14, 13, 14, 16, and then start all over again, 3 times again. And the last part, it's going to be 15, 14, 12. And then repeat the same pattern on the 5th string. And then you do that it's going to be 11. So I'm going to play the whole lick very slow for you guys. Pay attention. A little bit faster. A little bit faster. You can practice this as an individual lick as well. You can do this. You can apply your creativity there. But this is the lick. So here, you have the technique involved is alternate picking. Legato, if you're deciding to go in that road. You have legato in between. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode with this short lesson on that lick. Subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and leave your love in the comments down below. If you want to go and dig deeper and have private lessons with me, don't hesitate and just contact me on my email. It's in the description of this video. And don't forget to show your support in social media as well. I'm on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Show real!